way to visualize the difference between these two types of events is to draw them. And so the A-type event is characterized by sharp onset. This sharp onset here is a signature. It's a sound of rock breaking. In other words, we're seeing the brittle failure of rock material. On the other hand, if you look at the long period event, it's characterized by this slow onset, gradual buildup of energy in the signal, and then slow decaying single tone that lasts for a while. This emergent onset, emergent or slow onset, and then gradual decay of that single tone. What we're seeing here is resonance.